Crafts that make kids smile. Shaving cream marbled art paper craft. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do some shaving cream art. All you'll need is some type of a dish that can fit a piece of paper, some food coloring, and some shaving cream. You also need some kind of a paper. I have some just white cardstock paper. You can pretty much use any paper for this. Usually the lighter colors work out a little better just because the colors show up better. But all you do is you fill your container with shaving cream. And once you're done filling it, the next part is just adding the food coloring in. I like to make sure everything's filled in because then it takes in all the colors. Whatever you can do to get your shaving cream to fill would be good. Once you add your shaving cream in, it should be ready to be, or added the food coloring. What I like to do sometimes is just fill in those little gaps and holes if you can. It gets a little bit messy. The kids like to play with this. But anywhere where you think the shaving or the colors will go in. And then once this is done, you could then add your colors. So I'm going to add some green, and you just add a couple drips through the shaving cream. The kids like this part the best. Spread it out just all around the whole tray, and then you're going to get the next set of colors. You could do blue next, and then you're just going to spread them out. After we're done putting the food coloring in, you're going to move it around to kind of look like a fun art project, and then you're going to dip the paper into it. So next is red. Again, you can use only 2 colors if you'd like. You can use all the colors that you have. It makes it kind of fun because the colors do sometimes mix with like a red and yellow making an orange and a blue and red making purple. So after this is finished and you added your colors in and it's spread out enough, now what you do is you can use a toothpick. I have a straw here just to show you. You'll just spread in your colors and mix them in. Kind of stay in the same pattern if you can. I know with kids what they'd want to do is just kind of go like this, and that's totally fine too. It makes it fun for them to do. But if you stay in the same pattern, sometimes your art looks even better when your pattern is the same, meaning the direction that you're moving. So if you just try to mix those in and make it look really cool, whatever is usually the color that's underneath or that you see here is most likely going to be the color that you have on your paper. When you pull it off, it makes it look kind of messy, but then you scrape it, and it looks almost exactly like this pan here with all the colors. And again, this is just with a straw. You could use a Q-tip or a toothpick. Any of those things would work. So when you think you're ready and your colors are mixed to where you want it to be, there's no right or wrong way to do this. That's how it should look. You put your straw down to the side, and then this is where you get your paper, and it's just a plain white cardstock. And then what you do here is you just kind of dip it into the actual shaving cream with the paint, and then you pull this off. So you see what it looks like there. I'm just going to move this to the side and bring some foil over. And then at this part of the craft, you can scrape this with whatever you have available. I just used an earring card that I had here. You can use a credit card. You can use anything that you have that's somewhat harder that could scrape the shaving cream off. And the kids love this part, and you always get the oohs and the ahs when they're finished. And like I told you before, it looks almost exactly like when you did the initial food coloring, and it makes marbled art. And this is the final product. I'll lift this up. I'll put this to the side. And then this gives you a fun idea of what it looks like in the end. It's a neat marbled paper, and you can see up close. It has all the exact same ways that this originally looked, and you can continue to do this again and again and get a new piece of paper and do the same thing and put that down, and you will get the same effect on the other side, which will give you this marbled look. And you can continue to do that. The kids love this. You can put these in picture frames and cut this out and put it in a photo frame and hang it on your wall. You can also do some vinyl lettering and put your name over it and hang that up, but it really does look really fun. And this is how you do marbled art shaving cream pictures. So I hope you enjoyed your craft today. It's very simple and easy to do, and I hope you are the reason that someone smiles today. Thanks for watching. Crafts that make kids smile.